Give one title of Tagalog movie during CHE 83 time.
I love you.
Saturday night.
Yes, I love you. Mark your
Saturday
Saturday Night Fever, pwede man. Mark your card number 48. Yung maraming passes,
48?
bakit hindi malam?
48.
48. Maraming passes yan, no?
Si Sharon nga lang kilala ko sa gabi.
O, sige. Next question. Give one title of an English movie in our CHE time. Ato na kay Maano.
Saturday Night Fever.
Saturday Night
Fever.
Fever. Okay. Mark your answer number 38. Oo. Next question. Who was or who were of our CHE batchmate who shifted to electrical engineering? Malna si Yes, very good. May Bonifacio Iales pa ta?
O si
Bonnie.
Joanna,
Na?
Senyorito.
Si Joanna, ato na. Si Alma lang yung aton kasi Bonifacio Iales. Oo. Mark your card number 23. Next question. How can you be called as chemical engineer?
License.
If you finish the course of chemical engineering,
You're just a graduate.
a graduate, as well as you took the
Exam.
chemical engineer licensure exam.
Licensure.
Very good. Mark your card number 7. Number 7. Next question. What is the passing score of CHE board exam? 70%. Very good. Mark your card number 59. 49 gali. 49.
Unang 59 hanggang 50 lang tayo.
Ilang. Next question. Ano kita nga year level nga nag-field trip sa Negros?
Fourth year.
Fourth year. Very good. May lang nagsabak ang akon nga dito ng kutan sini ba? Mark your card number 50. 50.
Salamat! Kabag-el!
Next question. Next question. Bisan nilang dauna. Next question. Sa ano nga CHE subject applicable ang Negros field trip?
Sugar tech.
Sugar tech to? Ceramic making. Ang field trip ka ceramic making. Itong
Ceramic.
pero nagtanan na tanan na biglang to nagala. Mark your card number 31. Next question. Ano nga kumpanya sang barko ang ginsakyan naton sa Negros? NN. Nini. Very good. Mark your card number 40.
Yeah! Bingo! Sa letter L.
Abe, ang bala?
01, 02, 04, 05, 03, 17, 30, 40, 50.
Kaya ano ba tanan? Ara
Letter L.
Letter X.
Sige ba, may isa pa. Sige ba, may pangalan.
L pala may
Ano
L,
yan?
diba?
Oh, may X pa ha, may X ha?
X na lang. Hindi mo kasi L kami din on.
May X. It's either X card. X ka blackout. Ha? Okay. Next one. Who was our blackout o connect? Who was our CHE professor who accompanied us in our Negros field trip?
Ang mag-asawa.
Kaya pa?
Hindi, ang gamay.
Sorry.
O si Ma'am Osoryo lang.
Si ma'am lang.
Why si Sir?
Wala siya yung more of civil at assist niya.
Mag-asawa man sila
Oh,
ngayon.
Si Ma'am Osorio.
Si Ma'am Osoryo lang upunta.
Bam na.
Mark your card number 8. Next one. Name one company that we visited in our Negros field trip. BMC. Okay, very good. Mark your card number 42.
Ari, Mary.
41, 10
Next one. Pila ang female CHE graduates in batch 83?
28, 30. Palagpati lang.
30.
32.
Sabat na, source. 38. Wait, nagbilad-bilad na kamuto ka gina. Wala nyo dito binisip. Female gani.
Wala.
Okay, minus. Male nga pilatong bilog.
Okay, mark your card number 32.
Uy, ari. Isa na lang
Grito. Oh, ang next question, kinsabat nyo na ang sa HC graduate sa nga lalaki, 10. Mark your card number 14. 1
PDL
4.
nag-amo niyo?
Wala tapos niya.
Babaho, baliskad.